Hard work is not the reason you're not getting hired. And it's also not the thing that will get you hired. If you've been studying every day, building project after project, watching courses, grinding on weekends, and still getting silence, this is why. The problem isn't effort. The problem is proof. Most junior developers believe the formula is simple: work hard, learn more, eventually get hired. But hiring doesn't reward effort. It rewards certainty. When a company hires a junior developer, they are not asking, "How hard did this person try?" They're asking, "Do we have proof this person can operate in a real environment?" Because hiring a junior is risky. Juniors need guidance. They make mistakes. They require time. So if you look uncertain, they hesitate. And here's the hard truth: tutorial projects are not proof. Courses are not proof. A long list of technologies is not proof. Proof means evidence that you can deliver value in a real context. For example, saying, "I built a Netflix clone following a tutorial," is weak proof. Saying, "I built a task management app used by 12 people, handled authentication, real-time updates, deployed it, and fixed performance issues after launch," that's strong proof. One shows practice. The other shows ownership. Another example, saying, "I know React, Node, Docker, and TypeScript," doesn't reduce risk. Saying, "I deployed a full-stack app to production, configured CI, handled a production bug, and wrote documentation so others could use it," does. Specifics reduce risk. Details create confidence. So how do you build real proof? First, build something slightly uncomfortable. Not a clone. Not a copy. Solve a small real problem. A budgeting tool for students. A scheduling app for a local club. A dashboard for tracking workouts. Then deploy it. Put it online. Let real people use it. Handle real feedback. Second, collaborate. Join an open source project or build something with another developer. Companies hire teammates, not isolated coders. Collaboration is proof. Third, document your thinking. Write a short case study. What problem were you solving? What decisions did you make? What broke? What did you fix? What would you improve? When you can explain trade-offs clearly, you stop sounding like a student and start sounding like an engineer. Hard work builds skill. Proof builds trust. And trust gets you hired. If you've been working hard and getting nowhere, it doesn't mean you're not capable. It means your capability isn't visible yet. Stop asking, "How can I learn more?" Start asking, "How can I prove what I already know?" That shift alone can change your trajectory. Once you focus on proof instead of effort, your applications get stronger, your interviews get clearer, and companies stop seeing you as a risk. They start seeing you as someone who can deliver. And that's when things change.